In order to maintain printout legibility, printer components must be kept clean from any kind of dirt or dust. Kontakt chemie printer 66 is ideal for this purpose, as it caters for all the printer components. This effective solvent will easily remove ink residues, dirt, abraded metal deposits, fine silt, metal scraps, and other soiling, which can interfere with the printer performance. Soiled components are sprayed directly, and you can hold the bottle in any position. The aerosol comes with an external tube for cleaning small parts. As the agent copes well with the ink residues, it is suitable for streak-free and trace-free cleaning of printing heads of laser and inkjet printers and matrix components without damaging them. Large soiled surfaces should be sprayed generously. Remove any liquid which runs off with a tissue. Printer 66 contains anti-static additives to minimize dust attraction and damage due to electrostatic discharge for a long time. It should also be noted that the aerosol can be used to clean different types of printers, such as dot matrix, inkjet, laser printers, and some specific types, such as thermal and daisywheel printers. As a cleaner contains a highly flammable solvent, don't forget to keep the workplace well ventilated, keep it off ignition sources, and do not spray it on a hooked-up printer.